Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'm back in Ari. I was looking on Google Maps and I found a burger restaurant. But when I was looking at the menu, they had fish and chips for 200 baht. 200 baht for fish and chips. Can they be any good? Let's go and find out. So when you come out the train station, you have to walk towards this place. This is called the Pearl of Bangkok. This place reminds me of the Gherkin in London. It's very similar, isn't it? So 200 baht for fish and chips. I'm really looking forward to this. I haven't had fish and chips for probably over a year. So yeah, can't wait. Okay, so when you get here, we're going to turn right and walk down here a little bit. What I'll do, I'll leave all of the description. I'll leave a link in the description, Google Maps link, so you can go and press on that and check it out if you're in the area and fancy fish and chips. These fish and chips could be a hidden gem. So apparently it's down here and on a corner. So we're going to walk down there now. So this is my first time down this road. A bar there, that looks alright. To go in for a beer one day. This is it. This is it. I don't know if it's open yet. Wow, what a fantastic find. So what have we got in here? This is the place. Let's have a little walk around, see what's around. This is really nice at night time. I don't know what's down there. That's where we're going. Look. Yeah, nothing else down here. What we'll do, I'll go and have a look at the menu. Okay, so there is the menu. And there is the fish and chips. We've got hot dogs on there too. Can we get a hot dog as well? Okay, so there is the price. Came to 345. So I've ordered a classic hot dog, fish and chips, and a Coke Zero. I don't think Bruce is going to be happy about the Coke Zero, but hey. This place is really, really cool. I like it. I like the style. It looks really good, really good. Cheers and Happy New Year. Oh, that's nice having after that walk. Yeah, it's about a 5-minute walk to the train station. So, cheers. And we do have a whiff of fish and chips on the air. And it reminds me of being a kid actually. When I was a kid, I used to have a fish and chip van that used to come around on a Friday. And you could smell the fish and chips straight across the road, you know. It's beautiful. Yeah, brings back memories. So here's the opening hours if you plan on coming down. There's quite a lot of people walking down that way. I don't know what's down there. I've seen quite a few going down there. If you know what's down there, let me know in the comments. Look at that. I'll tell you what, I wasn't thinking it was gonna look like that. I thought with being 200 baht it would be really small. But wow. The smell, fantastic. Let's get some of this lemon on there. We don't have any salt vinegar though. Maybe we can go and have a look over there. Have a little bit of lemon on there, yeah? Look what I just found. Oh yeah. And now my hot dog has just arrived as well. Oh, all that food looks great, and the price. Can't beat a bit of vinegar, can you? Eh? Oh, it smells even better now. The salt. And let's get stuck in. Right. Have a chip and a bit of tartar sauce. That's blue cheese in there. Right. Fish. Wow. This is a hidden gem. Oh, lovely. Look at the fish. Oh, another level this. That tartar sauce. I'm sure that blue cheese. Oh, it's lovely. Look at the fish though. It's a nice piece of fish. I went to the pub in Bangkok. I'm not naming any names. And I had fish and chips for 200 baht. And it was half the size. This is it. This is the. I'm definitely coming back. Wow. Look at that. I've put some mayonnaise and mustard on the hot dog. Hot dogs wrapped in bacon with some fried onions. Well, let's get stuck in there. The bread is absolutely brilliant. You can't make this up. This is so good. Wow. If this is this good, I'm going to have to try a hamburger next time. Oh, lovely. Chips aren't the best, but I think you can choose to have those smiley faces and stuff like that. Oh, this is lovely. That tartar sauce. I don't know what fish it is. Damn tasty. Wow, look at that. That. Wow. And the vinegar, it just tops it off, man. The chips aren't too bad, you know. So guys, you could all do me a favour. You all hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I promise I'll keep on bringing you fantastic videos. Cheers guys. That's great. I want to know more about this tartar sauce. Wow. I'm absolutely stuffed. I ain't wasting that though. There's nothing wrong with this at all. Everything is a 10 out of 10. Oh, sorry, Cap. Do you know what fish this is? What's the fish name? Alaska pollock.
Yeah.
So I've got Alaskan pollock and what's the snapper? Wow, it's very delicious. What about the tartar sauce?
Tartar sauce?
Yes, how do you make that? Is that cheese in there?
Yeah, I make with blue cheese.
Blue cheese, I thought so. Oh, it's very delicious.
Thank you.
Alright, thanks. I thought I could taste a little bit of blue cheese. Oh, I love blue cheese. Wow, that was another level. How's that for a view? I really love this area. It's beautiful. So, if any of you are in the area or live around here, come and try these fish and chips. I can't believe they're 200 baht. If you was in Bangkok somewhere, you'd be paying 400 for them easily. Or in Pattaya, like 500 baht in Pattaya. Anyway, what a fantastic meal. I'm absolutely stuffed as well. Anyway, I'm going this way. I am going back to the MRT. Is it MRT? BTS? SkyTrain. And I'll be going home. Look at that for a car. Okay guys, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Make sure you have a fantastic new year. Don't get too drunk and I'll catch you in the new year maybe. Unless I make some more videos between here and now. Today's Boxing Day, so yeah, I'll probably get 2 more videos out. Take it easy guys and I'll see you in the next one.